As we are sailing towards Canary Island, La Palma to be more precise, I have an invitation for dinner, especially for you. Another specialty restaurant on board the Seven Seas Voyager is the French one, the Chartreuse, with absolutely fantastic review online, so it's time to check it out. J'espère que vous êtes prêts pour le dîner.
Hello, very good evening. My name is Harry from Philippines, and I just want to invite you to our lovely restaurant. Chartreuse is a French restaurant. Please come in and try our authentic food in Chartreuse.
cloudy night in the middle of the Atlantic, but you cannot see Eiffel Tower, Champs-Élysées, Montmartre, but oh my god, the dinner tonight was so French. The ambience, the mixture of flavors, the service was so elevated that instead of ordering a cognac as a digestive, I booked another dinner in a French restaurant, Le Chartreuse, on board Seven Seas Voyager. And honestly, with all my heart, I'd advise you to do as well.